Christmas. I'm just kidding. I'm not singing. This ain't no singing video. But these puffs though, let's get into it. What's poppin', fam? I'm Asia and this is Asia Made Beauty, where I encourage you to embrace your unique beauty with boldness. Today, girl, we are hopping into some Amazon puffs and giving you 3 holiday styles. Yeah, girl, you heard that right. I'm giving you 3 style inspos for this holiday season, and we're going to be hopping straight up into it with the $7 Amazon puffs. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out by clicking the I button. But without further ado, let's hop into it. So we're popping this thing off with an old flexi rod set. My hair is nice and stretched, so it's going to be really easy. We're going to use Shine and Jam and the $7 Afro puff that I got from Amazon. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you click the I button so you can get all caught up, girl. This $7 puff has been coming through for you, girl. And I will go ahead and start off by just taking that Shine and Jam and putting it on all my edges. As you can see, I'm using my brush with the best brush from Felicia Underwood. Leatherwood, I mean, not Underwood. But I'm using that just to smooth everything up. Now I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail using this Goody hair tie. These are huge headbands and they work really great for ponytails because you can get them tight without it causing too much tension, which I really like. So this middle section is what we're going to work on now. This is just our rough draft ponytail. This isn't the final ponytail. So I'm going to add some more product, and then I'm going to use the side of that brush again to smooth everything down and really comb through that middle section. I'm doing it little by little so I'm not ripping out my hair, and I'm also making sure just to use the side because that will smooth it out without being a little too harsh on my hair. So once I've got that nice and smooth, I'm going to take that Goody headband again and I'm just going to wrap it around my hair a few times, and then I'm going to tuck my ends. After that, we're going to smooth some more. So I'm taking that Shine and Jam and I'm putting it on the back of my hair. You want to make sure to get the very back, but also the sides. Like, don't neglect your sides. Put product on the whole back of your head. And then we good to go, okay? Now we're going to take this puff and we're going to just open it all the way up to the maximums, okay? We're going to grab both combs. There's a comb at the bottom and a comb at the top. And we're going to put the comb that's in the back of the head. And then the comb that's on the opposite side, we'll put it in the front of the head. And then we're going to just pinch those 2 combs together. While holding it, we're going to pull down the little drawstring thing, grab and pinch the little piece and push it up to the top of the head. And then from that point, what we're going to do is take that string and wrap it all the way around, tuck it in, and voila. To make it look good, we're just going to fluff it out with the hands and, you know, take this Urban Hydration Laid and Slaid honey gel. If you've been watching any of my Instagram videos or been paying attention to your girl on Instagram, you know I love this gel. It's $5.99. I got it from Slaid Beauty. It works so good for sleeking and doing all of the sleek styles. I actually used it to do this sleek style right here that you see on the side of the screen. It came out so cute, and that's when I fell in love with it, and I've been using it ever since. We're going to then wrap it with this Wrap It paper. Now the reason why I double up the gel is because the Shine and Jam, it gets my hair sleek, but it doesn't have a good hold, right? So I layer the gels and that gives me a longevity of a hairstyle. Longevity? Yeah, it gives me longevity. So this is what my hair looks like once we got that done, and we're gonna make this thing real festive. I made these bobby pins. I went to Michael's and picked up these little mini trinkets, and I got some bobby pins from Slaid Beauty, and all I did was just glue them on with hot glue, and I just used them for little accessories. So here you see I have the bow. I wrapped the middle section of the bow around it and then secured it with hot glue. And then for these cute little wreaths, what I did is I wanted them to go in opposite directions, so I created one with the bobby pin kind of laying to the right and one with the bobby pin laying to the left. This gives me the mirrored effect when I actually put it in my hair, and it looks really cute, so you guys will see that a little bit later. But this is a great idea for kids or yourself, girl. You can deck it out with bobby pins. So I'm going to be taking the bows for this puffed hairstyle, and I'm just going to put the bows all through the puff. You know, we're giving you Christmas tree vibes, you know what I'm saying, the ornament vibe. And once I've got that in, it looks like this. Now, another option, what you can do is you can actually put them around the base of the ponytail. Make it look like a little headband for the puff, you know. That's also really cute as well. So for this next style, we're going to keep that same ponytail and we're going to take these two puffs. Both puffs are getting used for this hairstyle. Make sure you open it up as wide as it can possibly go. And I'm going to take the front end and I'm going to just put the comb into the front of my hair. Now I'm making a mohawk, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the other end into the ponytail. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to cover up the middle section of my hair. So I'm going to pull it just a little bit, enough to where it's snug, and then I'm going to bobby pin it down. Now, bobby pins are going to be your best friend for this hairstyle because we actually want to make it look as much like a mohawk as possible and as little as like a hairpiece as possible. So make sure you're bobby pinning to get your shape. Okay, so now we're going to add in this second piece. We're going to cover up the other half of the ponytail, and then we're also going to add the comb into the very, very back of the head. Now, it did take me a couple times to get this correct because I wanted to cover up my hair color on the side. So it just takes a little finessing and playing with in a whole bunch of bobby pins. But as you can see, I'm just going in, I'm creating that little mohawky shape, making sure to pin everything down, and then you're just gonna fluff to the gods, okay? After you've got everything pinned down, you wanna fluff it together so it looks like one piece. So now I'm just going in and doing the final touches on my little pinning situation, and I really want the front to look good as well. So I'm making sure just to look at my hair from the front and to cover up any gaps. Now I'm going to take these little pins that I told you all about, and I'm just going to put them around the edges of the mohawk. I'm rotating between the little Christmas boxes and the bows, and it's giving me a really cute festive little fro situation. So after I've done that, I'm going to take these gold bobby pins and I'm going to put them on the side of my hair. Now this is just going to take it to a whole nother level. I really loved this added touch. I think that it kind of made it look neater, and it kept me from having to add more gel to my hair since, you know, I'm showing you all this in the same day. But if you want to, you know, you could sleek it up and tie it down and you would be good to go. So this is what it looks like once I've done it on both sides. A really cute, really festive, dramatic hairstyle for those of you that are extra. But girl, it will look so good in your little Christmas pictures. So the next hairstyle we are going to be doing is my favorite. Okay, we're going to part our hair in half. Now I'm just making sure to straighten this out real good because we want to make sure that everything is nice and sleek and cohesive. I don't like crooked parts, so I'm doing my best, y'all, to get it straight. So we're going to straighten out the front as well. So once you've got your hair nice and straight, I'm going to take a spray bottle and I'm going to focus this on the root of my hair. Now in this spray bottle is my Actua Beauty leave-in conditioner and water. I make sure to shake it up real good, and then we're just going to brush everything up. I'm using this Silk Elements board brush from Slaid Beauty. I like it. It works good and it's not too hard on my hair. It's not ripping nothing out, girl. It's just doing what it's supposed to do. Once I've did that, I'm going to just put my hair into a ponytail, and this time we're not going to tuck the ends, so you just put it in a regular ponytail, and I'm going to break my hair in half and I'm going to twist it all the way down. Once I've did that, I'm going to wrap it around in a circle and I'm going to tuck it back into that same ponytail. Tuck the ends into the ponytail and do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm going to take this Urban Hydration Honey Gel again, girl. We are going to slick everything down, get it nice and laid and slayed. That looks so good, girl. Ooh. Okay, and then after we did that, we're going to go ahead and proceed to the puffs. So here goes puff number one. We're going to put it on. Basically, you're just going to do the same thing you did with the one puff. You put one side in, then you put the opposite side in, hold it together, pull the string. Then you're going to take that little black piece and push it all the way up to the top, and then wrap the string all the way around. This time you're wrapping it a little bit more because it is just a small ponytail, so you're going to have more string left over. Then you can fluff and move on to the other side. So again, you just put in the top section, put in the back comb, pinch it together and then pull the string. You want to hold it, that way your ponytail, you know, stays secure, it stays where you want it to be, and then just wrap it around in a circle. So to make this festive, we are also going to use some more of the bobby pins, girls. So I'm just going to put them around the puff. I'm going to also use the wreath, and I'm going to put them mirroring each other, so that way, you know, it looks real cute. And I'm going to add in some more of the bows and the presents. So I'm trying to see something. Which one of these hairstyles would you actually rock? Like, which one is your favorite? Comment down below and let me know if it's the puff, the mohawk, or the afro puffs. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 holiday looks. Make sure you head to the description box to get the link to these puffs. You also can go directly to my Amazon store at amazon.com/shop/AsiaMay, and you will see all of my essentials, all of my faves. You can shop it all directly there. Make sure you head to my Amazon review of these puffs if you haven't seen it already, and if you haven't seen my latest and greatest video, you can click right here to see that. I'm gonna catch y'all over there. Until next time, remember to embrace you and be bold. Peace.